Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to taking a part of Dell 7010 Optiplex USFF. So this is a similar model to Dell USFF 9020, 9010 and 990. So it's the same, some difference, but the taking apart is quite similar. So you can follow this video if you own any of the 9020, 9010 and 990. Let's get started. First we will take this screw off. It doesn't come off completely, you just need to slide the lid. The lid will come off. Now we'll take the front puzzle off. Just pull these plastics and one here. We just push and the puzzle will come off. Now we'll remove this part. If you have hard drive and RAM there, so hard drive should be connected over here. You just need to unplug the hard drive and then pull it out. Hard drive is supposed to be here. This computer doesn't have a hard drive installed, so this you will be screwed here. You just need to take the screw out and the hard drive will come off. Now we'll remove the DVD drive. So you can see the plastic here. Just push a little bit and the DVD drive will come off. This is just a caddy for hard drive. Nothing else to take off from here. Now DVD caddy, you just need to DVD drive caddy has come off. Now we'll remove the SATA cable. Now we'll remove the heatsink and fan. So first disconnect it. The cable is here. Disconnected it. Now we need to take this off first. There's a hook here. You can just push it and it will release. You need to access these 4 screws to remove the heatsink. Just gently take him off. The heatsink and fan, I've taken it off. Now CMOS battery, you can take it off. Just push the silver button and battery will come off. Now we are going to remove the PCU. So first we'll unplug them. So unplug here. Unplug this. Another connection here. Unplugged it. You can remove the SATA cable here. You can remove the USB connection as well. This USB port connection. That's another SATA cable. We are going to remove the PC. Go one screw here and two more screws at the back. Now the power supply has come off. Now we are going to remove this fan. Let's remove the speaker, internal speaker. There's no screw here, so you just need to twist it. Yeah. It's come off. Just twist it a bit, and this needs to come off. Now we are going to remove this fan. There are screws attached to it, so I just need to unscrew them. Remove the fan. Now we are going to remove this USB port. USB port removed. Now we'll take the power button off. There's one screw attached to it, so we'll just unscrew that. Now everything else is done, so just this. We're going to remove the motherboard. So there is quite a few screws attached. We're going to remove them. We've taken all the screws out. Just double checking. Yeah, so you can take the CPU out as well. So just push this thing down, and CPU will come off. Just take this off carefully, and CPU has come off. Now we'll put this back on. So one more screw I was missing is this one here, so I need to remove that to take the motherboard off. Now the motherboard has come off. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.